In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resize images or text in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now first, I'm going to show you how you can resize your images. To resize your images, it's pretty simple. Just head over to the image or the slide that contains the image and then click on it. Now you can see we have this cutout, and we can use this cutout to resize our image. Now you have to know that by resizing your image, you will not hide any part of the image or cut out any part of the image. You will only reduce the aspect ratio of the image while maintaining all the features in that image. So if I want to make this smaller, I can just go ahead and drag it from one end or edge, and you can see that image is now smaller, but all the other parts or sections are on. However, if I go ahead and move it this way, you can see it will also go ahead and reduce it from the other end. So you can move it from both directions to reduce the size of your image, and you can see the more you do that, the smaller the image becomes. Should you want to resize your text, it's also simple. Just go to your text and click on it, and it will expose the text box. Now to expand or to make the text larger, go ahead and just drag it outside, and this will go ahead and change the size of your text. However, should you realize that the text is not increasing in size, then you can go ahead and select the whole text like this, and then increase the font size of your text by clicking on plus, and you can see the text size will increase to fit the text box. Should you feel that the text box is still small, you can expand it, and you will have more room to increase the font size of your text. And here we go. So that's how you can increase or reduce the size of your images or text in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.